It has been a crazy 3 weeks in our world. I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown of what happened. Week 1, we prepped this shop and this space and our whole world for week 2, which was our friends Roadkill coming to shoot an episode here. Awesome week we had. If you guys follow on any social media, you'll know we had a blast, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the behind the scenes footage from that week once the episode airs. Week 3 that we just completed, we went out to Missouri to a place called Little Talladega that is an awesome Airbnb that's like every car guy's dream location. And we shot a really fun upcoming project with our friends at CRC Auto. Now they had Alex Taylor, Derek Beery from Vice Grip Garage, and us out there. And on the last day, I shot an episode with Derek for the series that I produced for CRC called State of the Build. And I'm going to give you guys a little peek into the shenanigans that we pulled there. So this is going to be a really fun episode. We bounce around from one thing to the next, and it's really, really fun. Sort of crazy, but awesome. So hope y'all enjoy. What's up, car fam? Hey, some of you guys will be really excited to see this activity happening right here. The hood's up on Garfield. We're gonna get this thing moving today. We can't fix it fully. The problem is that the slave cylinder is out on it, and we've put off pulling a transmission. We just need to, do a lot to this truck, but right now we're gonna get that thing moving today. We've got some shop cleanup to do. We've got a whole bunch of crap from building the big enclosed, which we need to get back to. Yes, I know. So we're just gonna be doing some shop cleanup, moving some vehicles around. We wanna have plenty of room for our guests. It's gonna be awesome. Not quite yet. Garfield, the storage unit. Dang it. Not ideal, but temporary. Sorry, Garfield. Next mission, move the 300ZX into the trailer for safekeeping this week. Yes. Oh, sweet Garfield. Sounds so good. Yeah. I love this truck. Dang. Garfield. Oh. All right, he's gonna try to move it out. Came shooting out. I guess we had the tire chuck. All right, you're good. Such a sweet truck. Yay, babe. That's beautiful. Oh, what a mess.
Yeah.
Our shop fridge went out, so we're having a local appliance company come pick it up. $50 cash. Not bad. Garfield's battery's charging. He just moved the 300ZX out from under Zen so that we can crank her up, get her back with the living. She's been trapped up there on the lift. All is well.
Burn them off. Like out on the road.
Thanks, Trouts. Those guys were awesome. All right, babe, look at this.
And I've got 20 of them to put in.
Are those 12 volt or?
12 volt.
Okay.
LED, and they operate off these switches. The battery's dead right now, but it's really cool. You just like touch it.
Yeah.
And I mean, I bought everything. But I've just been intimidated.
No, I got it.
Like
So you got the commode and everything working?
the commode's working, that it's all one unit.
Mm-hmm.
Don't have the shower working because I'm trying to figure out how I do this ledge. Like,
Are you
obviously
videotaping?
Videotaping? What an old man thing to say.
So then,
Videotaping.
I've got to figure out how to come over this ledge with
Mhm.
something. So I'm trying to figure that out.
The ones that made this base, do they make a surround kit for it?
I've got it.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's sitting over there on the floor.
Does it not lip over?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay.
Well, we don't have the back part. We just
Oh,
have
no, I don't have the back pieces.
Yeah.
Okay.
but they do make it. But it's just really white and basic and ugly.
Oh,
and
okay.
we thought maybe we could do something prettier.
Yeah.
But if we can't, then we'd rather just buy whatever's basic just to get it done because we're kind of hung up on this.
How about we can figure that out?
Yeah, I mean, you just have an eye for that kind of stuff, and I don't.
So this is already glued?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But we have more.
But we could redo it too.
Oh, okay.
We can put another piece on. I've got a
Well,
ton of material.
Yeah, if anything, we may just put a spacer and lip it over, like put a sheet of this over it,
Mm-hmm.
you know?
And I was thinking about, you could do angle iron or something like
Yeah,
that.
we could do that too. We could make a lip.
And just silicone it.
Mm-hmm.
Silicone the corner.
I can get any kind of aluminum imaginable.
Mhm.
I have a book
Yeah, I
this
remember
thick of everything
Yeah.
that like all the manufacturers order
Mm-hmm.
from.
So this is our friend Matt, who we've known since we were kids. Aaron went to high school with him, and he's such a good buddy. He is great at a ton of things, and he's actually been on the show before. He filed the rings in Roxy's last motor. He's awesome. Anyway, we've just wanted to ask him about the wiring in here because that's what we've been held up on with this project. We've just kind of reached a point where we were like, we don't know what to do. And then the same thing with the shower, with the enclosure for that. So yeah, it's storming today, off and on rain. But this is progress. This is good. We're excited about Matt's report and his ideas, and I bet we can get back on this project soon. Part of our shop cleaning experience that we're having is I cleaned out the barn at the back of our property. It's an awesome old barn, and it's gonna be great with this in it. We're gonna put the Bugatti back there in that old barn, and honestly, it's gonna look like it's neglected, but we're looking for a donor car for a VIN number. This car does not have a VIN number, so we need a Volkswagen Beetle 60 something model that we can use the VIN number for this car. So until then, she'll be parked. She's definitely crooked, but we're okay. We're gonna let it go.
She's crooked though.
I know. It's okay.
If we could get that board out from underneath her, then
She's up on the board. It's like that board is.
crooked.
She's really.
I don't like her being crooked.
She looks really funny. Oh, jeez.
That's hilarious.
That's hilarious. It's done though.
It is.
Checking it off the list. Nice job, Aaron.
Yeah.
freaking love that truck. Oh my gosh. Got a few things to fix on it, but so good. Zen's been on the trickle charger, but she hasn't run in a while, too long. Probably a couple months. I would love to show y'all behind the scenes stuff from the Roadkill shoot, but I can't yet. That is going to have to come once the Roadkill episode premieres. So now we will jump to our shenanigans at Little Talladega with Derek from Vice Grip Garage. Now, I produce a series on Peak Auto's YouTube channel called State of the Build, and it's a really fun series where I check in with my fellow YouTuber friends on the state of their builds. And when Derek first got the Independence Chevelle, we did an episode with that car. And now that that car is a famous burnout machine for a dang good reason, we are back with another episode on that car. I'm going to only show you little pieces of what we did here in this episode. You have to go check out the Peak Auto YouTube channel and subscribe there to watch the full episode with Derek to get a rundown on the status of that insanely kick-ass car. All right, y'all enjoy this footage. Let's give this a shot.
So there's that.
Well, all right then. Dude.
Back out through the window.
All 540 of them cubes singing to us.
That's where it gets a little sketchy.
Dude, this car is so sick.
It's a lot of fun.
It is so freaking cool.
Yeah.
Because we have this place for a little bit longer and we've yet to really leave any rubber on the track, I think we need to fix that.
Mazel.
Let's load up.
Oh yeah. Can't even tell it's there. Blends right in.
Do I get to watch you crawl through the window, sir?
Oh no. I guess. It's gonna be something else.
This is happening.
Your protection.
Let's do it.
We're done.
We're good. This has been fun, but we're done.
It's a lot more G-forces than you would think, huh?
I couldn't believe it. We were not going fast.
No, it swings
But it's
pretty
like,
hard.
it does.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You can see how this gets addicting. It's so fun.
I'm
So fun.
so jacked right now.
We need some rubbers?
Oh my. I gotta go see. I gotta go see. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. So as you can tell, we had an absolute blast at Little Talladega. I'm really excited for y'all to see all of the craziness that comes from that trip. They had an incredible camera crew and a whole big production there that we were shooting, and so grateful to be a part of. We absolutely love working with Peak Auto. If you're ever in a parts store and you're trying to figure out what antifreeze to go with, don't hesitate, buy Peak. They are such great folks. Love them. This was a very abnormal episode for us. It was a crazy past few weeks. So trying to patch an episode together was kind of tricky, but also we shot a ton of stuff that I can't show you, like the Roadkill episode and the project with Peak. All that's gonna have to come later. So we just keep on keeping on, and we're so thankful to have y'all here, subscribed and liking and commenting and doing all of the things that keep our channel going. And another great thing is that on our way home from Missouri, from shooting with Peak, we stopped at our hangar in Arkansas and picked up the big boat. So we will be getting that rig back in the water for more adventures. I know y'all have missed it, as well as airplane adventures. I know I see a lot of comments, people missing airplane adventures. So we've got lots to do, lots of fun stuff and adventures to be had, and we're so excited to include y'all in those things. We love and appreciate y'all so much, and we will see you next time.